So look what just happened here. Got the major. Major's $840.47. Got the mini at 100. I'm on Caribbean Gold Dollar Storm. Let's see if we can't get that super grand chance. Come on, baby. I'm in the middle of free spins. I'm on 10-cent denom, $12.50 bet. I was on my way out and I thought I'd stop and play this. Come on. Oh, come on. Keep us in the game. Come on, baby. Keep us in the game. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. All right. 3 more spins. Come on. Come on. Keep us in the game. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, Caribbean Gold. Come on. Come on. Yes. Can you get 2 majors? Yes, yes, yes. Keep us in the game. Yes, pirate. Come on, baby. There we go. Keep us in the game. Come on, sweetie. 2 more and we'll get the grand jackpot. That'd be awesome. I never had a grand before. Is today the day? Come on. Last spin. I still have 5 more free spins to go after this. Nice. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Let's see what else we got. Oh, holy cow, I didn't see that one. Oh, this is a HandPay, y'all. This is a HandPay. Awesome. Alright, let's see what those other 5 spins are going to give us. Come on, re-trigger me. Come on. Oh, let's see that minor. There we go. Beautiful. Come on. Where's that super grand chance at? Come on, baby. Come on, pirate. Give me that super grand chance. Majors reset to 500. Down to our last spin for the hold and spin. And then we have 1 more spin for the free spins. Come on, keep us in the game. Come on, keep us, yes. Come on. 2 more spins to go. 3 more spins to go, sorry. Come on. There we go. Keep us in the game. We're at 14-12 already. Ooh, what a day. What a day. Oh, come on, pirate. Keep us in the game. Drop that minor down for us. Oh, I saw that major again. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna hit it, and we got 1 more spin to go. Beautiful HandPay. Come on, re-trigger. Okay. Hit that thumbs up, #Sasha Slots. Hey, thanks for hanging with me, y'all. We'll talk to you later. Have a great day.